Ready to learn how to unlock wealth from scratch in the easiest way possible? Welcome to our insightful journey in today's video, Creating Wealth from Scratch, the Easy Way to Learn. Our expert advice not only simplifies the process but empowers individuals of all backgrounds to embark on the journey of wealth creation. With our guidance, we demystify the complexities, making it accessible for everyone to build their path to prosperity. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like our video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Now let's go off on this adventure together. In a world where financial success often seems elusive, the concept of creating wealth from scratch can be both daunting and inspiring. Many individuals dream of financial independence but are unsure where to start. The journey to wealth creation may not be a cakewalk, but with the right mindset and strategies, it can be a fulfilling and achievable endeavor. Mindset shift. The first step towards creating wealth is a shift in mindset. It's essential to move away from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. Instead of dwelling on limitations, focus on opportunities. Understand that wealth creation is not reserved for a select few, it's a journey that anyone can embark on with dedication and perseverance. Financial education. Education is the cornerstone of wealth creation. Start by expanding your financial literacy. Understand the basics of budgeting, investing, and managing debt. Numerous resources, from books to online courses, can provide valuable insights into building a solid financial foundation. Take the time to learn and stay informed about economic trends and investment opportunities. Set clear goals. In the pursuit of wealth creation, clarity of vision is paramount. Take the time to meticulously define your financial goals, encompassing both short-term and long-term aspirations. Consider your short-term objectives as the stepping stones that lead to the realization of your broader, long-term vision. These could be immediate financial milestones or specific achievements that lay the groundwork for more substantial wealth creation. In essence, having well-defined financial goals does more than set a roadmap. It instills a sense of purpose into your wealth creation journey. Budgeting and saving. Creating wealth often begins with disciplined budgeting and saving. Develop a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses and redirect those funds towards savings and investments. Establish an emergency fund to provide a financial safety net for unexpected expenses. If you are liking the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification or the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Invest wisely. Once you've saved a reasonable amount, it's time to consider investing. Diversify your investment portfolio to manage risk effectively. Explore different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to tailor an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Entrepreneurship. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, starting a business can be a powerful wealth creation tool. Identify market gaps and explore opportunities that align with your skills and interests. Entrepreneurship requires dedication, resilience, and a willingness to take calculated risks, but it can offer substantial financial rewards. Continuous learning. The journey to wealth creation is an ongoing process. Stay curious and committed to continuous learning. Attend workshops, seminars, and networking events to stay updated on industry trends and connect with like-minded individuals. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of personal finance and wealth creation. Network and collaborate. Building a strong network is crucial for wealth creation. Surround yourself with individuals who share similar goals and values. Networking not only provides opportunities for collaboration but also opens doors to new ideas and perspectives. Collaborative ventures can amplify your efforts and accelerate wealth creation. Creating wealth from scratch is a journey that requires a combination of mindset, education, discipline, and strategic decision-making. While there's no one-size-fits-all approach, the principles outlined above serve as a solid foundation for anyone looking to embark on the path to financial success. Remember, the key lies in consistency, adaptability, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. With dedication and the right mindset, creating wealth from scratch can be an empowering and achievable endeavor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on your journey to financial success. Share your key takeaway from today's video in the comments below. What's one action you're inspired to take after watching? Thank you for joining us in this journey of growth, learning, and empowerment.